Enjoy our factory tour and learn how the Parker heritage continues. Parker boats are produced in a state-of-the-art 225,000 square foot production facility located in Beaufort, North Carolina. Efficiencies are in place with process engineering methods that guarantee quality control meet and exceed the toughest standards. The first stage of construction, an exact replica of the future part known as the plug, is made by a time-tested method of strip planking. This plug is polished to a flawless finish that will ensure a mold with a high-gloss finish. This will ensure a high-quality part every time. Mold release wax is applied to each mold before spraying with gel coat. The mold will then enter the gel coat booth for the exterior gel coat to be applied. Thickness gauge will ensure correct mills thickness have been sprayed into the mold for a high-gloss exterior finish. Once the gel coat has been applied, the mold will proceed to lamination. The skin-out layer, which is the initial bond of glass to the mold, is applied. This is the most important layer since it is the base for all the following layers. The skin-out is allowed to cure and inspected for hot spots or voids. Alternating woven chopped strand mat combined with a high-strength matted knit material are wet out with resin, squeegeed, and hand-rolled to ensure even distribution. After hull side and bottom glass is in place, the transom is then bedded in glass for its chemical bond in the hull. Conduits are also glassed in to allow the water that drains from the anchor and anchor line out to the bilge. The stringers are fabricated, completely encapsulated and hand-rolled in glass. Comes with a lifetime no-rot warranty. They are then chemically bonded to the hull with woven and strand mat to make this one unitized piece. After the stringers are installed and cured, the boat will come out of the mold. Air is injected into the bottom of the mold, releasing the hull. The hull will be trimmed to receive the deck. The fuel tank will be mechanically fastened to the stringer system. Conduits are installed for hoses to and from the tank. The cockpit sole is chemically and mechanically bonded to the stringer system. Holes are strategically drilled in predetermined areas around the sole to inject foam to any compartment not used for storage or fuel. This foam acts as a sound dampener while offering flotation and additional strength and stiffness. Hull side stiffeners are installed and all seams are then puttied and glassed. The hull will make its way to the grinding booth in preparation of interior gel coat and non-skid. In order to ensure accurate installation of stern eyes, trim tabs, drains, and transom brackets, templates have been engineered to place and pre-drill. These items are sealed with polyurethane sealants and gaskets to protect from water intrusion. Transom brackets are installed and backplated from the port to the starboard side of the transom to evenly distribute the torque and stress. The decks are constructed with the same construction methods as the hulls. Decks are cored with pattern-cut marine-grade plywood, then encapsulated and hand-rolled in glass. The decks are trimmed and indexed for windows, doors, and cleats to be installed before being married to the hull. The deck is then lifted and placed onto the hull. The deck will lip over the hull in a shoebox fit, being mechanically fastened with stainless steel through bolts. A rubber gasket is placed in the seam, and the joint is caulked. This, along with the 3-piece rub rail, will prevent water intrusion at the joint. The boats then continue to move along the production floor into final assembly. Doors, seating, live wells, and second stations will be outfitted in this final stage. Yamaha engines are installed, as Parker only selects the very best for reliability and performance. With Yamaha's legendary 4-stroke outboard power, thrust, and fuel efficiency, you can be confident of the best performance on the water. Renowned reliability, Yamaha reliability. Final appointments include hull-side Parker decals, striping, interior cushions, and propellers will be loaded aboard the boat. Cleanup with final inspection of the boat occurs before being loaded on the truck for delivery to the dealership.